students, this is Abdelkader Ouda. Welcome again to ES 1036 video series. In this video, we'll discuss Java loop statements. A loop is a statement that causes one or more statements to repeat, or in other hand, to execute over and over again. Let's get started and talk about while loop statement. On the screen, you see the general format of if statement, and you know that when if statement executes, this Boolean expression is tested. If it's found to be true, this statement is executed. However, if this Boolean expression is found to be false, these statements will be skipped and the following statement will be executed instead. Well, so let us now change this if keyword and let us write here while. Now what we see here is the general format of while loop statement. While loop statement works like this. When the statement executes, this Boolean expression is tested. If it is found to be true, this statement executed. And the loop starts over again. And this Boolean expression is tested again. If it's found to be true, these statements are executed. And the process starts over again. And we'll test Boolean expression again. If it is found true, then we keep executing the same statement over and over again. This process continues repeatedly until this Boolean expression found to be false. When that happens and this Boolean expression becomes false, this statement will be skipped and the program will execute the statement comes after the while loop statement. Now to demonstrate how a while loop works, I have prepared some code for you here, and let us go over this code step by step and see how the while loop works in this example. In this class, I have my main methods defined an integer called number and give it the initial value 1, and then I have the while loop. The Boolean expression test whether the value of the number less than or equal to 3. If this is true, we need to display on the screen hello, and then we increment the number by 1, and we keep repeating these statements until this expression gets false. Once this expression becomes false, we skip this statement and write on the screen that's all. Remember, the statement here number plus plus is equivalent to this statement number equal to number plus 1, and instead of having this long format, we can write it like this way, number plus plus. Okay, when this program executes and we have this definition int number equal 1, we can imagine that this declaration going to allocate location in the main memory, and we call it here number, and the initial value of this number is the value 1. And now here we start execute the while loop statements, and then we need to test this expression. Number now is equal to 1 less than 3, so this is true. Then we're going to execute these two statements. The first one prints hello, so assume this red rectangle here to show my screen. So this first statement is going to print in the screen hello. Then the second statement to increment number by 1. So once we execute this statement, then this number we're going to be equal to 2. Then the process start over again, and we need to check this expression. 2 is less than 3, so this is true. Then we're going to repeat these two statements again, and the first one are going to print hello, another hello on the screen, and then the second statement to increment number by 1. So let us go ahead and increase this by 1. So the value of number now is 3. Then the process here go back to check this expression once more. So 3 less than or equal to 3, still this expression is true. Then we're going to execute again these two statements. The first one, we're going to display another hello, and then we'll increment this number by 1. Then the value for number will be the number 4, and then the process going back to re-evaluate this expression. We'll find that here 4 is not less than or equal to 3, so this expression now found false. Then while loop, we're going to skip this block of statements and execute the statement outside the loop. Then the program going to display here that that's all, and then the execution reach here and the program terminates. Let us now go ahead and see this code in action. So I wrote here the same code I showed on the whiteboard, and we need to see the actual execution of this code. So let us go ahead and run this program. See here, this is exactly what we simulate on the execution of this program. Print hello, 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 and then that's all. So I need to do some modification in this code. So again, let us change this to 5 and see the difference in the execution. You see that here we have the hello world displayed 5 times. Why? Because here this expression is going to be evaluated through 5 times, and then for the 6th one it will be false, and then the program will display this value. Let me write here the variable number to be displayed before the word hello, and then execute this program in order to show here how many times we display the word hello. So again, we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Good. So what will happen if we don't have this statement? We don't increment the value of number. So let me just commenting this out. That means we don't have a statement here to increment this number, and start to run this program. You will see here the results is printing 1 and then hello, infinite number. So we have here what we called infinite loop. The program infinitely execute and never stop and never even reach to this statement. They keep looping in this statement because all the time this expression is evaluated to be true. And to stop this, I have to terminate the entire program or to force exit this program manually. So you need to know that here, if we don't have a statement inside the body of the while loop that in some circumstance this expression become false, then we're going to fall on what we call it, we run in the infinite loop. I hope you find this video useful and beneficial. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.